Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Karen Ahmed. Today we're making Chana Dhal. Now I've made Chana Dhal before, but typically I have to remember if I'm going to cook it a day ahead and soak it the night before. But in the Instant Pot, you can throw your Chana Dhal right in, even without soaking, and it's going to cook to perfection. Before I go any further, please make sure you subscribe to my channel and ring the bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. Now let's get started. Set your Instant Pot to saute mode and heat up 2 tablespoons of oil. Once hot, I'm going to add a half teaspoon of cumin seeds just to flavor the oil. Next, I'm going to follow this with 1 cup of sliced onions. I'm going to allow these onions to sweat and caramelize, and then I'm going to add 1 green chili. I've sliced a large chili, and this measures about 2 tablespoons. I'm also going to add a half cup of curry leaves, and I'm going to allow them to heat up in the oil for about a minute. Curry leaves are incredibly fragrant and can be found in most Indian grocery stores. If you don't have fresh, you can even use dried or frozen, and if you can't find curry leaves where you live, don't worry, just leave them out. Now for some powder spices or masalas. I'm starting with 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, and lastly a half teaspoon of turmeric. Before the spices start to burn, I'm going to quickly add 2 teaspoons of ginger and garlic paste. You can find this paste in most grocery stores, but I prefer to grind it fresh for all of my home cooking. Mix this well to cook off that raw ginger and garlic taste. Now I'm going to add 2 cups of fresh tomatoes, and I'm going to allow them to get a little bit mushy. Add a cup of water and salt to taste. Finally, it's time to add the Chana Dhal. This yellow split lentil is pretty common and is available dried very easily. I haven't bothered to soak this, but I did give it a good rinse. Cover your Instant Pot. Be sure to set this to sealing mode. I'm going to cancel saute mode and set this to pressure cook or manual mode for 12 minutes. Once this is done, you can release the steam naturally, but I'm in a rush, so I'm going to force the steam to escape. Once the pressure valve drops, it's safe to open. The chana has absorbed all of the water and it's perfectly cooked. I like my chana dal to be cooked, but to partially maintain its shape. If you want this to be completely mushy, you can add about 3 to 5 minutes to the cooking time. Put this back on saute mode and add a cup of water. If you like this dal a bit more runny, you can add more water, but be sure to check for salt and add more salt if required. Finally, I'm going to garnish with a 1/4 cup of coriander. Dal is healthy, nutritious. It's great as a main or a side. Enjoy. Thank you so much for joining me in Cravings Food Adventures. I really hope you enjoyed this delicious recipe for chana dal. Please make sure you subscribe to my channel and share my channel as well as my videos with your family and friends. And ring that bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. And be sure to follow me behind the scenes on all of my social channels. I'm on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and Twitter. Until I see you next time, do take care.